Okay guys, join me as I show you how to produce oil. Make I carry you go, make you go see the process on how dem dey take produce oil. Here wey I dey now na the where dem dey call oil mill. Oil mill na the place wey be say dem dey produce all this red oil. The reason why I dey make this video na because of say most people like me no know how dem dey take produce oil, you understand? Most people no sabi produce oil. Na recently me I come even know how dem dey take produce am. You no understand? Na recently. So this one now wey you dey see now na the tree. This is what it look like. You understand? This is what it look like. How the tree dey be. You understand? How the tree of oil dey be. How the see this thing. This is palm fruit. See am. This is palm fruit. In case you see am for village, you understand? Now recently me I come dey see am, like I said. Now recently as I come village new before. Now Lagos I dey throughout now, so I don't know all this process. So if you don't cut the tree, see where you go carry and come. Just make your way here. After you don't cut the tree, like you come that tree, you get people be say they clamp am, they'll go cut the palm fruit, come down, and they'll if dem carry and go house, they'll come bushel am, scatter am, then come select am like this, put am inside sack bag. You understand? If dem select am, they'll come put am inside sack bag. You understand? After they don't cut the tree from up, bring am come down, they'll come use cutlass, scatter am, then come make their way. Select am one by one. The process long go. Select am one by one, come carry am come here. Here where you can come now your oil mill. After you can come here now, see this place now where they will cook am. You see those sack bag there? And here they will cook am. You understand? They will carry and pour inside this drum. You understand? Come pour water inside, cover am like this with this bag. Come dey cook am. You no understand? They will come dey cook am. You understand? See light dey under. See this thing where they pour now. And to make the light they come up, make you understand? They know they use firewood. Now same that the shaft from the palm fruit, now then they use. You understand? But we will still get to this place, we still get to that side. You understand? So this one now, if you don't make your way come here, they don't reach your turn, then pour am inside this drum, then cook am. You understand? If they don't cook and finish now, they'll see how they remove am from fire, from the light. Now you don't done now, so see how they remove am. You understand? As they remove am like this, now see say that bucket where they use remove am, e get hole. You understand? Because of the water, as they carry am, make the water they drop, under. Understand? Na be the reason of that bucket wey you see say e get hole. Now see where they take go pour am inside the machine wey go produce am. See am. See how they take dey pour am. They don't pour am inside the machine, and so they will take pour am till e go full. Till e go full. You understand? And so they will take pour am. See the machine. See how it look like. Now see the process. See as they don't on the machine now, the thing don't grind am. Now they don't dey bring am come outside. See say the machine get mouth where the thing go dey pour come outside from. You don't understand? So like this now, they don't dey bring am. Now the oils, now the process. So I know say most of us will be say we never go village before, like me before. You understand? We no know this process where they like now like this oil they be now like this. Now the process be this. You understand? See, they don't do that one finish, they won't pour another one inside again. See, they won't pour another one inside again so that they will still grind and process them. No worry. When I go see the place where the oil started to come, but now the process be this. You understand? See this thing where you see now, the palm fruit, see the seed now, as they don't cook and finish, as they pour them inside there. See how they come outside. You know understand? See how they come outside. See, all these people wey dey do am no be small work. This thing na hard labor. Hard labor. Even me sef, I no fit do am. Na strong men na im dey do this thing. So they won't go turn am inside another machine again. Now this machine they call presser. And they call am presser. Now im go press the oil come outside. Now see how the thing they work. See say now they don't pour am inside this presser. The thing don't full now. So then they try to couple everything. And they couple the machine now because now manual. You understand? Now manual. See, they never even started the couple line. See say the oil now don't they come outside small. You understand? This thing now they call am presser. So as they put all this thing finish now, they'll put some heavy things on top so that the thing go heavy to press the palm fruit, the shaft like that, all the shaft and the seed together. They will press them so that the oil they'll fit extract the oil from them. You know understand? So the process long go, no be small thing. See that oil where they use cook, where they leak, they do this one. You see how they produce them, no be small thing. The process long. Even from the cutting, from the picking, even that picking self. That picking na even hard pass because the thing go dey you know sabi pick and go chook all your hand because the thing they get all this chuku. How would they call am chuku? You understand? That time we dey small na chuku. Thing they get all this sharp stuff where we say if you know dey careful you go chook all your hand. That thing na stressful thing. So many people they run from this process. You understand? I know so many people be say they school here. Then they school when they don't see say they don't cut banga like this. They no go green one go house. You understand? Because of those things. Now see how they don't press and see say the oil don't rush come outside. You see the oil. See how e don dey rush come outside. You see am? Dis thing now na press am now, you go see how dem the boys now dey go take dey wind dat thing, the oil go dey rush. You understand? See sey dem don pour all dis heavy things on top, see sey the thing don dey pour. You dey see the oil, you dey see am? So na the process be dis. Dey watch oo, e get so many process because dey go still comot the kernel from am. You understand? Like I said, the reason why I dey make dis video na for people wey be sey e no know, because most people know. You understand? Most people wey grow up for village or people wey don go village. You understand? Me na recently I go, so I come know all these things. Before I no know am. I just dey lick oil, me I no even know where e come about. You understand? So na the process be dis. Now see how dey wan dey push am now. Dey wan dey roll dat thing so dat the thing go dey press dem be two. See how dey dey take push am. See, you dey see am? See as dem dey roll am now, see how the oil now dey push dey come down. See how the oil now, see how e dey see. You dey see the oil, e don dey rush, dey pour, dey come. You understand? All these things na manual work and na very hard work, I no go lie you. These boys dem dey try, I swear. Dem dey try, the heat and everything. Now the oil don finish, another set now. See dis lady now, dis girl now, she don dey pack the oil. Normally na the oil dey mix with water. You understand? E dey mix with water now, so e dey mix with water. You understand? So now dem go extract the water comot from the oil. They will separate the oil from the oil. If you notice now, you go see say e dey watery. Now dis one now na fibre. E get wetin dem dey call fibre.
The main oil.
Fibre na after the main oil don comot, the first process, dat first process wey you just watch finish, na im be the main oil. After dem don comot dat one now, e get wetin dey call fibre. Dis one na the second one. The thing go come outside. You understand? Dis one na the second one, e go come outside. Na im be the second process. It's not the main oil. The main oil na im be dat one. Dis one dem dey call am fibre. For people wey be sey e go for village, dem know wetin e be. You understand? Dem dey call am fibre and dem dey still dey use am dey cook, but no be the main oil. Now dem don press finish, dem don do all the pressing, dem don extract all the oil. So it's time to lose the dem wan lose the machine now to comot all the chaff. You understand? Now wetin remain now na chaff, and the chaff abi wetin dey call am with the kernel. Some kernels dey inside. You understand? Some kernels dey inside. So after dis process now, after dem don lose am finish now, see sey dem don dey pack am comot. If you notice, you go see sey kernel sef dey inside, but na dis chaff na im cover am. You understand? Kernels dey inside. Na dis chaff na im cover am. Now if dem don comot am finish, dem go come carry am go where dem dey call separator. Machine wey dey call separator. Now see the machine wey dey call separator. Now e dey separate the chaff from the kernel. Now you go see am, dis girl now go dey put am, dat guy now go dey push the thing. See, the thing go dey separate the chaff from the kernel. You understand? Now you go see am. See the chaff for ground for here, see the chaff for there, see the chaff. You see how the chaff now dey comot? See am here. As the chaff now dey comot from the, now see the kernel. See how e dey separate am from the kernel. Now the kernel dey come separate place, the chaff sef dey comot, dey go separate. Dat chaff now, see dis chaff now wey dey for ground now, na dis thing now dem dey use dey set those light. If dem don dey cook dat dis thing, dem no dey use firewood. Na dis thing dem dey use am. If dem don go, after dem don do am finish, dem go pack am keep one place. When the thing dry, dem come use am dey set light. You understand? You understand now? Dey use am set light. The thing, and dis thing e dey bring light well well. You understand? So na see, dem don dey separate am. Kernels dey different and dis thing, you understand? So thank you guys for watching, and tell me your thought whether na the same process dem dey use for your side. You no understand?